Every successful business starts with one thing, an offer. Not a product, not a fancy website, not a huge following, just one clear way to help people and get paid for it. You can build your first offer from zero with what you already know, already love, and already do best. Step 1, start with a problem, not a product. Most people start by asking, what can I sell? The right question is, what problem can I solve? People don't buy things, they buy solutions. What are people in your audience struggling with? What challenge have you personally overcome that others are still stuck in? Your first offer should solve one clear problem that real people already have. Step 2, turn your experience into a promise. Your story is your strategy. The lessons you've learned are the roadmap others are searching for. Ask yourself, what transformation have I experienced that I can guide someone else through? Then turn that into a simple promise, the core outcome your offer delivers. Step 3, choose your format. Now that you know the problem and the promise, decide how you'll deliver it. Start small and simple. Here are 3 formats: one-on-one coaching or strategy calls, workshops or live trainings, mini programs or challenges. You don't need a big course or fancy funnel, just a real result. Step 4, name and frame it. Your offer name should make people say, I need that. Keep it simple, outcome-driven, and emotional. Then, frame it around the benefit. Don't just tell people what it includes, tell them what it does. Instead of saying 60-minute call, say a private session where we'll identify your next best step and create your action plan. Test it fast. You don't need perfection, you need proof. Before building websites or sales pages, test your offer manually. Reach out to a few people who fit your audience and say, I'm looking to help a few people with this problem. Would you be open to trying this out at a reduced rate in exchange for feedback? Real conversations lead to real clients. Step 6, collect stories and refine. Your first few clients will teach you more than any course ever could. Listen to what they struggle with and what parts of your process they love. Use their language to improve your message and their results to build credibility. Step 7, simplify and scale. Once your offer works one-on-one, you can scale it into a group program, online course, or membership. You've already validated the idea, now you're multiplying your impact. You don't need a massive audience, a website, or endless confidence to start. You just need clarity, courage, and commitment. Your first offer doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. Start with what you know, who you can help, and one simple promise. Because once you make your first dollar from your own knowledge, everything changes. That's when your personal brand becomes a personal business.